Hello everybody, this is Michelle. Welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Today we're making paper stars. I don't know if you guys know, the new Mario game is coming out on Switch. It's called Paper Mario and it has a origami twist to it. So I thought it would be fun if we make some origami stars like these. For this, you need thin, long strips of paper, yellow or blue. The original Superstar in Mario, it's golden yellow, but I thought the blue ones are cute also. So the first thing you do is grab your long strip of paper. We're going to tie a knot at the end. And this is the most challenging part of the whole craft. Just make sure your knot is as perfect as possible. And you want to make sure that the sides all fit perfectly. So your star will come out perfect. And be very careful not to tear your paper. Okay, so once you have this pentagon shape, so we're going to start wrapping our paper around the sides. So right along this edge, we're going to wrap it around and it will fit kind of perfectly along this edge right here, and we're going to fold it again at this edge right here, and then fold it along this edge. So whenever I have a pocket like this, I like to insert my paper right into it. So that way it will make your star more sturdy, or less likely to unwrap itself. But this is optional, you don't have to do it. And sometimes you don't have a pocket and you just keep wrapping it until you have a pocket again. Okay, so this is going to be my very last fold, and I will just insert this little tab right into the pockets right here. So then that way you don't have to glue or tape it. But if you want, you can also glue or tape it to hold it in place. And once you have the pentagon shape, use your fingernails and push gently right into the side, or the middle of the side, until you have a dent, and do that on all of the sides. And there you go. You have a star shape. And you can try to make it perfect if you want a little bit even on all of the sides. Alright, so the very last step is we're going to draw in the eyes. Ta-da! There's your Superstar. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time. Bye.